मैं हूं रौनक कुमार और आज हम पढ़ेंगे साइंस का सेल चैप्टर का 5th पार्ट। और सॉरी कल की क्लास नहीं हो पाई, तो कल का ही पार्ट है, 5th पार्ट है। इसमें हमें सिंपली फेगोसाइटोसिस के बारे में पढ़ने की, फेगोसाइटोसिस होता क्या है, क्या काम करता है। फिर हम फेगोसाइटोसिस के बाद फिर हम इंडोसाइटोसिस पढ़ेंगे, फेगोसाइटोसिस, इंडोसाइटोसिस और फेगोसाइटोसिस का डिफरेंस पढ़ेंगे हम। ये सारी चीज़ें आज हम इस 5th पार्ट पे कंप्लीट करेंगे। सबसे पहले आ जाओ फेगोसाइटोसिस। ये लिविंग इट इज ए लिटरली मीन्स, इसको हम लिटरली मीन्स क्या बोलते हैं, सेल ईटिंग। मतलब ये सेल को ईट करता है, मतलब जो सेल होता है ना उनको खाता है, ठीक है। इट इज ए कॉमन मेथड ऑफ फीडिंग। एक कॉमन मेथड है फीड करवाने का अमंग द प्रोटोजोआ, अमोइबा और लोअर मेटाजोड, एग्जांपल स्पॉन्ज, ठीक है। दिस इज कॉमन मेथड। It is literally means that cell eating that it is a common method, but of the feeding among the protozoa, amoeba and the lower metos. Example like a sponge, like sponge is eating by in the process of phagocytosis, sponge is eating now. So this. Then when next is coming is difference between the endocytosis and phagocytosis. There is a difference between the endocytosis and phagocytosis. Endocytosis, there is some difference asking in class grade 9th that write the difference between the endocytosis and phagocytosis in biology test. That teacher have asking. There are teacher asking that write the difference between the endocytosis and phagocytosis. Write the points. देखो मैंने आपको एक चीज और पहले कल की क्लास, परसों की क्लास में बताया था कि आपको पॉइंटर्स में लिखने हैं आंसर्स। हाँ, तो देयर इज ए डिफरेंस, सो यू कैन मेक लाइक दिस टेबल एंड यू कैन राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉइंटर्स, नॉट राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पैराग्राफ। देयर इज द फॉर्म ऑफ पैराग्राफ, सो द टीचर विल get your marks also. So please make sure that you have to write in the form of pointers. First point is that it is of extracellular fluids, droplets and macromolecules. So it is the cellular, there is a cellular cell, there is a single na, but there is a double, so we call that cellular. You know that what is the cellular meaning? And there is a science term. In science term, cellular is one or more cell. There is a cellular. So there is one or more. I taught English in next class also. After the science completing, I taught English, how to speak in English and how to improve your English much better. So it is of extracellular fluids, droplets and macromolecules. Then phagocytosis, it is the intake of extracellular particles. So in phagocytosis they take, so they intake the particles, intake the particles of extracellular organisms, ठीक है। Endocytosis, there is a plasma membrane invaginate to take up the material. So the plasma membrane invaginate, they will please take the material. So they allow to take the material. Next point, phagocytosis, plasma membrane grows around the particles of Rhizopodium. So there is a plasma membrane, so who grow around the particles of Cytopodia. In the phagocytosis only, there is a asking some, if you write in the difference between the phagocytosis and endocytosis, so you can write this point also, that plasma membrane grows around the particles of Cytopodia. Okay. Endocytosis, it is a nutritive process. There is a nutritive process between the phagocytosis and endocytosis. Okay. In phagocytosis, it is a nutritive and defensive process. So this is the two thing now. There is only one thing, but there is two processes having here. That one process is nutritive, there is also present in the endocytosis, and second is defensive process, ठीक है। So endocytosis, the endocytosis vesicles are only 0.1 and wide, ठीक है। आप लिख सकते हो चौड़ा। So there is, if you write the point pointers. You can write also the endocytosis vesicles are only 0.1 nm wide, and in the phagocytosis vesicles are 1 to 2 nm or more wide. So there is a difference now. There is 1 or 2 nm wide, or there is more wide. And in endocytosis there is only 0.1 mm wide. So there is only 0.1 mm wide, but in there is an extra 1 to 2 mm wide. So this is the cell of phagocytosis, the difference between of endocytosis and phagocytosis. This is the topic. In the next class we have to do the components of cell. What is the component of cells, which are done in the next 6th part. So be ready for the today's next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.